Welcome to our review of the Realme 11 Pro Plus. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the latest smartphone from Realme and explore its unique features, specifications, and design. The Realme 11 Pro Plus is a departure from the typical glossy phones we've seen for years. The maker has partnered with the former Gucci designer Matteo Menato, and the lychee leather design is the fruit of this collaboration. The Realme 11 Pro Plus packs a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a ton of premium specs such as 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit color depth, 360Hz touch response, and 2160Hz PWM dimming. It runs on top of the MediaTek Dimensity 7055G chipset, and the base storage is now 256GB. The highlight of the Realme 11 Pro Plus is its 200MP primary camera that relies on Samsung's HP3 sensor. It is advertised as capable of 2x and 4x lossless zoom, continuous auto zoom when tracking a moving subject, and has support for Super Nightscape and Moon mode. The other cameras on the Realme 11 Pro Plus are an 8MP ultra-wide, a 2MP macro, and a 32MP selfie shooter. 4K video capturing is supported only on the main camera, while the front and the UW ones max out at 1080p video resolution. Other notable Realme 11 Pro Plus include stereo speakers, a 5000 mAh battery, and blazing fast 100W SuperVOC charging. While the Dimensity 7055G chipset is relatively new, it is pretty much identical to the Dimensity 1080 inside the Realme 10 Pro Plus and the Dimensity 920 in the Realme 9 Pro Plus. And considering the AMOLED screen is the same as on the Realme 10 Pro Plus, we'd understand if the new 11 Pro Plus doesn't feel like a major update. The Realme 11 Pro Plus ships in a typical black/yellow paper box. The retail bundle contains a 100W GAN power brick and a 10W rated USB-C to A cable. That's all for today's review of the Realme 11 Pro Plus. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest smartphone from Realme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews in our next episode.